How do we switch to the outside? Well, what we can do is we can look at the last one to speak and say 2, 4, 8, 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, and since this was the last one to speak, then what we'll do is we'll go to the stage and we'll say when the spacebar was clicked, we'll wait for 10 seconds or maybe 12. We'll give a 2-second pause, and then what we'll do is we'll do looks and we'll do next background, or we could say which background. For instance, we could say switch to background bench with view. So let's try this from the top, but once again we need to start from the beginning. So when space is clicked, we want to start with our indoor background, which is room, and then click, and we'll start from the beginning. Hello, hello. Hey, what about me? Where did the butterfly go? Let's look outside. Pause and cut. Now, counting up the timings can get complicated. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to wait for 2 seconds, or wait for 4 seconds, and then we'll have Cat say, butterfly, where are you? Where are you? But what we're also going to do is we're going to send a message to the butterfly. Instead of counting this time, we'll send a message, and we'll do that by broadcasting. Broadcasting is under control, and it's a way in which the objects can communicate with each other. So what we will do is we will broadcast and wait, and we're going to say new broadcast, and we can say, where are you? We can call it anything we want. So we're going to broadcast, where are you? Then we're going to go to butterfly, and then when the butterfly receives, where are you? So when I receive, where are you? And we'll go to motion, and then we'll say glide to, and we'll bring the butterfly back in to say, we'll fly into here, 28, 134. So we'll go to 28, 134. So now we're not doing it in timings, we're going to do it when the butterfly receives this, after the cat broadcasts it. Once the butterfly receives this, then it will come back in. Now with the cat, we didn't just say broadcast, we said broadcast and wait. So the butterfly is going to wait, or the cat will wait, and then when the butterfly receives the message, then the cat can speak again. But let's try this from the top. Space. Hello. Hello. Out. Switch. Let's go and look for him. Switch scenes. Where are you? Butterfly receives and comes back in, and there we're at. And this is how you can build up a story using Scratch. In this tutorial we learned how to draw a sprite, add a new sprite, import a background onto the stage, start the story from the spacebar or the flag, set the initial XY coordinates so the sprites will be back in place when we restart the story, get the sprites to speak, to wait, to glide, that's a movement, to change the background, we went outdoors, to broadcast, to send a message, and to receive a broadcast, and then do something when the broadcast is received.